Good morning, students. I am NIVEDITA SINGH of Marwari College English Department. Today, I am going to take your elective English classes, that is of 100 marks. As in previous video, we have started the textbook Kaleidoscope. Today, we will start lesson number 4 and it is the last chapter. Class 12 Elective English Textbook Kaleidoscope Section 3 Non-Fiction Lesson number 4 Why the Novel Matters by D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence was a renowned novelist and story writer in this essay. He has appreciated the novel and tried to establish novel as the best literary style of writing. He says it is novel that leads the novelist to interview with his soul, and it is faculty enables to understand the reality hidden behind a number of curtains, which we say illusion or maya of this world. He says, but if you pick up a novel, you realize immediately that infinity is just a handle to this self same jug of a body of mine. While as for knowing, if I find my finger in the fire, I know that fire burns. With knowledge so empathetic and vital, it leaves nirvana merely a conjecture. The novelist D.H. Lawrence tells that it is mere illusion to think oneself a body with a soul. He assumes his hand as his me, that is the sense of attachment and possessive instinct. He says people develop attachment with the body, the position or status, but assuming such is mere fallacy. He accepts paradise or heaven has existence not after death but in temporal life itself. Knowledge is hidden in this living human body, he asserts. He says words and thoughts, feelings can do nothing unless these are received by any person intelligent enough to understand them. He condemns preaching of a philosopher and tells them only stimulation in the ether. He categorically says if you, a man alive, cure from the tremulation of the other into new life, that is because you are man alive and you take sentences and stimulation into your alive man in a myriad ways. He gives importance to living an ideal life engrossed in planning for noble deeds. He declares that he who is man alive is greater than his soul or spirit or body or mind or consciousness because he is whole or absolute. It's all because he is a novelist. He considers his novel as a bright book capable to make the whole or absolute man alive tremble. A good novel never develops attachments or falls within its reader. He states that change is the law of nature, but it is also not as absolute as me living. Selfish attitude develops in autism, and it is the gross inheritia or folly. Inheritia or folly, a novel keeps its characters intact from compromise. They are reported truly as they are. Truly turn honorable to the novel and see wherein you are a man alive and wherein you dead man in life. He says categorically while appreciating the cosmos consciousness included in readers through their reading and pondering upon the novel truly written on men alive and not dead men in life. A novel, by virtue of its sublime contents, leads human life vibrant with palpitation for novel deeds. So, the author tells the how novel writing is so good for others, and it should be doing good to others and good for the writers also. So, novel writing is a noble deed and it should help a common people to realize how its thoughts and its works are can be effect to other people, and it should effect in a good way. So this is the end of the chapter, and we have finished the part 3 non-friction portion also, and this is the complete, and we have completed the portion of elective English. Today we have fully completed elective English.